Okay, so welcome to day 8 of 21-day challenge for affiliate marketing of digital products. And I hope our website structure is comparatively in a good shape. Waiting to see all the links that you all have created. I'm really excited to see those links today evening. Okay, so let's start with uh, the new ways how we can promote Buildroll. Yesterday we saw the three methods that were on consultation, freelancer, and preparing of the e-learning course. Today we'll be focusing on three different other aspects how we can promote Buildroll or we can do affiliate marketing basically. So other three methods are do via the YouTube videos, blogging, and helping people. So I would like to go through little more details for each of these, starting with focusing more towards YouTube channel. If you are very good and not very camera conscious, if you are a good orator, if you have the command on whatever you're talking, and if you are really very confident with the flow, the best way to promote is using the YouTube channel. Okay, so I do recommend to create your personalized YouTube channel, set up your profile page, have your profile image either in terms of your logo or your personal image, similar to what we spoke for a Facebook page. Okay, apart from that, have the channel art. Channel art is something like, just in Facebook we have the page cover, in YouTube we have something called as channel art. So that art should represent what is the takeaway from your channel. Okay, so have a good channel art, start uploading value based content. Okay, so start uploading lot of videos, and does not mean you randomly start uploading videos. No, have the video schedule at particular time. Okay, so YouTube has the option where you can schedule the time for each of the videos to be broadcasted to other people. Okay, so just for that purpose, make sure that it is scheduled on a particular time so that people are not confused, and they know very well when is your next upcoming video. So more the consistent consistency in your channel, you'll see more followers gaining into your channel. Okay, so start uploading lot of value based contents in your channel. Work on the tags, all the hashtags which we use in Facebook. Here we use the tags. So work on the tags very closely, have all these tags separated by comma, and YouTube actually gives you the option of having 500 character based words on for your tag. So make sure you fill them rightly. Okay, using others tags without being without your videos being relevant to those tags is something which is really illegal. Okay, so make sure you use relevant tags. You do not simply copy paste tags from others channels. Okay, so yes, use your tags wisely. Follow and collaborate who are from similar niche. For example, when I'm doing affiliate marketing, I have no issues in going and checking into others people's content, what type of affiliate marketing they are doing. Maybe that also can be something more important for me as well. Okay, so try collaborations, look for more value which you can get, and same time provide the value. Okay, have comments mentioned in the others channel. By this by doing this, there are two possibilities. One, you are looking for collaborations, you are accepting, there is a sign of gratitude which you are following. At the same time, even when your comments are there onto others channel, and that too at higher position, people turn up watching your videos as well couple of times. Okay, so if you have placed some value based content onto the comment section for others videos, their traffic may be diverted into your traffic as well. Okay, so yes, make sure that all these features of YouTube are used very wisely. does not mean you simply go to all the channels and randomly just keep on commenting and try to get all the traffic. Don't do that process, because one, that is illegal, not illegal, but it's not recommended from your ethics point of view. At the same time, you also need to get your traffic organically, where you are actually giving a lot of values, and you need to know the right flow. And just by commenting onto others videos and getting the traffic, you can do it to one or two times, couple of times. You cannot have this as a regular practice. So look for multiple ways by which your channel grows. Okay, so yes, best use the tags wisely, use have a description written very well, use right type of title for your videos, concentrate on your material more. Okay, next, be consistent. As I've already told you, have scheduled videos for a particular time frame. Check your target audience, they are online for which type time zones. Based on that, you can select the time when you want to upload the videos. Okay, try to be distinct, do not copy others, have your own value based content, and have your thumbnails very clearly mentioning what it is that is there into your video. If your thumbnail says how to gain YouTube subscribers and your video says something else, then that is something illegal from YouTube perspective. Okay, so make sure that you give right thumbnails to your videos. What are thumbnails? Okay, thumbnails are some images, one image which you will keep to identify your video distinctly into your channel, which has the title basically about your video. What is the content of your video? That is what you will be mentioning on the thumbnail. Okay, so that is about the YouTube videos. Follow these basic things and you will realize, yes, slowly you are starting to gain a lot of followers. Okay, next, coming to second type, or how you can start affiliate marketing. Second way or second method is to write a blog. There are many people who are actually scared to write a blog. This is more for those who love writing, who have command onto their language, and at the same time they are really very creative in thinking. Okay, so blog, yes, you can always say there are already thousands of blogs which are already available. Who will read our blogs? But remember one thing, if you're giving good value, and those value is something which is required in market, you will automatically see that your followers are growing. In terms of blog, what you will be doing, you'll be giving a lot of value. Again, yes, we need to give lot of information, a lot of research work can be given. It can be about the tool, about the offerings, about different discount offers, or any tips and tricks. How to is the golden word, which when you're actually either blogging or creating your YouTube channel, you should always if possible, have your titles written with the keywords how to. Okay, so whenever you also want something, if you just cross verify, most of the times you go to social media and what you're looking forward is always starting with how to. Okay, so yes, try to have those how to's, or top 10, top 5 niches, top 10 keywords, or top 6 tricks. So these are the couple of taglines which actually goes viral very fast. So have that type of title selected for your blog. Make sure that you're blogging related to one niche. Okay, don't confuse your audience by giving variety of information. Nobody will be interested into that. Be very specific in giving information regarding one niche. When you're starting to blog, have a proper research onto your topic. Make sure at a broader level you have complete idea on the niche that you're going to talk on, because at any point of time, if there are comments or any type of interaction, you need to have a good command onto your language. So make sure on this aspect that you do a good research on your topic. Next is you while blogging, definitely you'll be confused what should be the topic on which you are supposed to blog. So for that purpose, you can definitely go to various discussion forums and check out which are the latest topics on which there's a lot of discussions happening. Okay, so by doing this, you will come to know which are the hot topics and the topics which people really want to hear from you. So based on that, you will select the topic and you can write your blog. Make sure structure it well, give uh, labelings like one, two, three, four type of things. Have them bolded, have the topics, key topics bolded. Do the SEO part of your blog title, as well as use lot of keywords into your blogging section also. Within blogs, write the headlines or the topic liners, which actually again has lot of keywords. So keywords is definitely one of the key source to get a lot of traffic into your social media. So make sure you do the SEO part religiously, spend at least 10 15 minutes into that, sometimes even more, depending on how new you are to that particular topic. Okay, so do these things wisely. Mention the source if you're trying to show some strategy or some graph or some research work. Make sure you mention which is the source from where you have taken that particular information, because we definitely don't want to sell any information by our name which has not been created by us. So make sure to mention this is the trend which we see in 2020. This is the source from where I have got this particular information. Okay, so mention all the sources very carefully. Do mention it. Add relevant quotes, because yes, sometimes quotes are also something which is going to attract, and people will like reading those things. Okay, and it's one of the motivational factor as well. So add any relevant quotes if you have for your blog, that particular topic. So yes, add the quotes and add relevant quality images. Again, do not use any blur images. Make sure they are quality images. I've already given you the links from where you can download the images and you can use them. So use good quality images, quality videos, have lot of information. Make sure it is structured in a good way that people like to read about it. Don't just have one image, have at least 3 4 images depending on your blog size. And yes, structure it well and just check it out if that particular blog page is appealing to you. Okay, so how to post it? One, into your website. I highly recommend to have your blogging based website. Second, what you can do is go to Facebook notes and you can even publish there. Okay, so these are the basic things again with respect to bloggings. If any questions, just put it onto the chat. Let me take it at the end of this particular session. For now, I'll move to the third and the final topic, that is by helping people. So enter into various groups where there's a lot of discussions happening. For example, here in since I am from Mumbai, there are many Mumbai based area where people try to help each other, and there is a lot of discussions that happen among each other. So find such groups and get involved into such discussions, and there you will find people who really want help which you are trying to offer. So get into a conversation with them, chat with them, have good collaboration if possible. Not everywhere collaboration works. So here, if you really need to give them the value, give them the value and then inform about the affiliate products that you are trying to sell, and again over the confidence using this particular method. Make sure that if somebody has already added a post where they are selling something, you go to the comments and you are not selling on to that, because that is again something unethical. It does not look good, and it's definitely not a good practice. So do not do such wrong methods. Don't use shortcuts. Go in a very right strategized way. people asking for help, you are helping them, that is perfectly okay. But somebody has already asked a question into the comments, if people are mentioning, and there again you are reselling, that is something which is really unacceptable. At least I personally will, I don't like that. Okay, so you can decide onto that, but I will highly recommend, do not follow such shortcuts. Last but not the least, when you are going into that helping zone, you will actually find a lot of people with whom you can collaborate in a very good way. Look for all these collaborations as much as possible. Okay, you will actually find very good links. It may take a couple of days. Think on those aspects. For example, if I am working as a digital strategist, I do collaborate with many digital marketers, and while doing this collaboration, it becomes simple for me and for them, because they are doing their role, I am doing my role. And we have a good amount of sharing system. They get good leads for me, I get good leads for them. So this type of collaborations actually work, though we both are from same niche, still we can collaborate for good. Okay, so yes, these are the three main methods which I wanted to focus on, how we can go about with affiliate marketing, that is YouTube's, blogging, and by helping others. So any questions on these, please let me know. You can place the questions onto the chat window. Great. Once you are actually into doing of these, yes, you will definitely come with a lot of questions. So see you all today again at 8 p.m. If any questions, we can get it sorted there. If you are starting with any of these, I will be glad to see your YouTube channel, your blogging page, or if any results, good outcomes from your chattings with or collaborations into different discussion forums. So any of these, I'll be glad to see all these things. Let's meet today again at 8 p.m. Till then, goodbye. See you all. Be safe. Bye bye.